Alright guys, here's the non-musical version of completing the square. So, as you can see, this is a trinomial that's unfactorable. So we're going to have to try to complete the square. We will start by getting rid of that c term, putting it on the other side. So we'll subtract 20 from both sides. And that zeroes out, so we have x squared plus 4x, but we know we're going to have to complete the square, so we're going to put plus blank equals 0 minus 20 is negative 20, and we know we have to balance it, so we have to put a blank on this side as well. Alright. Now the next thing that we have to do is we have to figure out what will go in here so that we complete the square. We have to know that this term in here is going to be half of this term here. So it's going to be a 2. That way the two middle terms when you FOIL would add up to 4x. But that's why we have this blank here, is because this 2 will get us that 4x here in the middle, but it will also give us something at the end. It will give us what 2 times 2 is, which is 4. So we got to put a 4 in both of these blanks. Alright, now let's combine our like terms over here, negative 20 and 4. That's going to give us negative 16. So again, this is where complex numbers are going to come in, because you can see my next step is going to have to be to square root, and that is going to give us an I term, an imaginary number, because when I square root this side, it cancels out the squared. When I square root this side, we get plus or minus 4i. Alright, so we have x plus 2 equals plus or minus 4i. And finally, all we have to do is simplify, or subtract on both sides. And we get x is negative 2 plus or minus 4i. Remember, you always have to put your real number first, then your imaginary number. And that is our answer.